Welcome to Phantom Teachers. Let us start our discussion. Have you ever finished your teaching class and still feel like some students are confused or did not understand? You explain the lesson, you give examples, you repeat the idea in different ways. You try your best, but some students still walk out of the class with confusion. And honestly, that feeling hurts us because every teacher to see their student succeed. But the truth is, the problem is not the teaching ability. The real root problem is a classroom lesson happens only one at a time. But understanding needs what? Repetition. Some students learn fast. Some students need more time. The other students need to hear the explanation again and again. It finally understand there. And this where one simple video that can change everything. Imagine this. A student is sitting alone at a night before exam, stressed, confused, tired, almost ready to give up. Then suddenly they open your video, they replay your explanation, pause it, watch it again and again, listen carefully one more, then finally they understand. At the moment something is changes, their confidence come back, their fear disappear, and learning suddenly possible again. The single video could be what? Improve their grades, it could be rebuild their confidence, it could be even change their future. And the beautiful thing is you don't need expensive equipment to do that. You can begin with a simple tools by using smartphone, OBS Studio to record a lesson, by using CapCut for simple editing. Because students did not need a perfect videos. They need a teachers who care enough to help. If you want a student engaged, interested in your video, remember this simple formula: reality, concept, application. Start with a real problem. For example, why does a phone warms while charged? Then give a simple explanation, a simple definition. Then finally you can connect to real world, because here the student understand why are learning something, they pay attention differently. That is the learning become meaningful. Your first video does not need perfection. Maybe your voice check, your editing is simple, and you feel nervous, but that is okay. Every great teachers and creators started somewhere. The goal is not perfection, the goal is give impact to the students. A simple 5-minute explanation can become the reason to the student to never give up. So today, pick up your phone, record your first lesson. Do not wait for the perfect moment, did not wait for the perfect equipment. Start with what you have already, and one simple video can change a student life. Teaching is not only delivering information, it is about changing lives. Your classroom lesson no longer has to be stopped on the wall. Your voice, your knowledge, your passionate can now reach students anywhere, anytime. So start it at teach beyond a classroom walls. Thank you very much. If my video helped you something, share, subscribe my channel.